No more excuses. Today I'm gonna do everyday makeup in less than 5 minutes. Your 9 to 5 job is not any more excuse. You being tired is not excuse. It takes less than 5 minutes to do your makeup every day in order to look good. I decided to create this tutorial because I get a lot of comments how influencers have a lot of free time to do their hair and makeup when actually it takes only or less than 5 minutes to look good every day. And I'm gonna show you how. So please stay till the end, take notes. Okay guys, so all you need for this tutorial is 3 different brushes. I'm gonna start with a sunscreen first because it's very important to hydrate your skin and protect from the sun. I'm always using my foundation brush when it comes to applying anything on my skin besides moisture. Just act like you're applying foundation on your face. So the next step I'm gonna use concealer on my face, and usually only under my eyes and under my cheeks. I always leave some space for bronzer and blush. Now that I'm done with applying it, I would use the same brush that I use for sunscreen. This is a very nice concealer that moisturizes as well. I got it from Koreatown in New York, and I really like it. It has a great coverage too, as you can see. I just kind of love applying concealer instead of foundation lately, and it's been in my routine for like over a year now. I maybe applied a little bit too much this time, but you're more than welcome to apply less, as your preference. Next step is applying a bronzer, and I do have my favorite. This Gucci bronzer is my favorite bronzer ever. It's very natural, and I love applying it around my forehead as well, and around my eyes a little bit. It gives a nice contour to my bone structure. I would always use eyeshadow brush and then use bronzer on my eyes as well. For me, this is a perfect touch-up for everyday makeup because less is more, and it doesn't look like too much. I would contour my nose a little bit as well. And then that's about it. Next up is blush from Makeup by Mario. It's my favorite. It's called Dusty Rose. I just love it so much. I think this color fits me perfectly on my skin. And the next step is, of course, mascara. Not too much and only on the edges. I just love applying it from the middle to the edge of my eyelash. I don't know why, but I love it. Next are my lips, and I'm using Too Faced lipstick. I wouldn't use the lip pencil like the rest of us. I would apply my lipstick instead of lip liner. My favorite lip gloss is Patrick Ta. It's super nice and smooth. It lasts very long. And that's about it. It took me only 2.5 minutes to do this look. Now we have time to touch up our hair with my hair care products, Fivessi. I know you heard about it probably, and if you didn't, you should. This is for men and women. It's a hair growth serum that prevents hair loss and improves hair thickness. Its main ingredients are rosemary and peppermint oil. It's important to be consistent and apply it on the scalp if you want to grow your hair. Massage it gently to your scalp 4 to 5 times a week. My next favorite hair product from my collection is argan oil that I'm using right now. For me, it's important to moisture my hair daily and protect it from the heat when I'm using hot tools. So this product is a must. I love that I never again have to search for the perfect hair care product. I can craft them as I want. I'm going to link my hair care products on this video. You should check them out. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick makeup tutorial and see you in the next one. Bye!